Black& Decker portable air conditioners remove humidity from the air while cooling your space. This moisture doesn't just disappear. It collects inside the unit and needs to be managed properly. How often you need to drain your unit depends on several key factors. The most important factor is humidity levels in your environment. In high humidity environments, you may need to drain your unit daily. The air contains more moisture, so the collection tank fills up much faster. In drier climates with lower humidity, you might only need to drain weekly or even less frequently. There's simply less moisture for the unit to collect. Newer Black& Decker models often feature self-evaporative systems. These systems automatically evaporate most collected moisture and exhaust it through the vent hose, reducing the need for manual draining. The most important indicator to watch for is the water full light. This warning light appears when the internal tank is full and needs emptying. When this light comes on, your unit may automatically shut off to prevent overflow. If your air conditioner stops cooling unexpectedly, checking and draining the water tank should be one of your first troubleshooting steps. A full tank is often the culprit behind sudden cooling failures. In extremely humid conditions, some users report needing to empty the water tank as frequently as every 15 minutes, even with clean filters. In such cases, setting up continuous drainage is highly recommended to avoid constant interruptions.